Stuck with a generic skill description on your Namecheap site? Learn exactly how to change it in under 2 minutes. If your website has that default placeholder text under your skills, it can make your whole site feel incomplete or unprofessional. But the good news is, fixing it is incredibly simple. I am going to walk you through every single click so you can customize that description and show off exactly what you know. Here is the plan. I will show you the 4 simple clicks to edit your skill description. We will start by opening your site editor, and then I will guide you through the rest step by step. First, navigate to your Namecheap dashboard and open the Site Builder. You want to find whatever project you are working on and click into the editor. This is the main control center where you can change everything about your site. Once you are inside, you will see your entire web page laid out in front of you, ready for you to tweak. Now, once you are in the editor, locate the Skills section on your page and click on Skill 1. This might be labeled as Skill 1, Skill 2, or something similar, depending on your template. But do not worry, the process is exactly the same for all of them. Just click on that first skill block. When you click it, you will see some options pop up around it or on the side panel. So now that you have selected the skill, here is where the magic happens. Within the skill details, find and click on the description field. You will see a box or an area that says something like Skill Description, or maybe it just has some default text in it. Just click directly on that text. This is the spot where you want to put your own words. In my experience, a lot of people get stuck right here because they are looking for a separate settings menu, but it is actually just a text box you can edit directly on the page. And here is the really important part. Type your new description. Be concise and highlight your expertise. This is your chance to tell people what you are really good at. You do not need a huge paragraph, just a short, punchy sentence that describes your skill clearly. For example, instead of just leaving it as Skill 1 description, you could write something like, Expert in JavaScript frameworks with 5 years of industry experience. Make it specific to you. Once you have got your text looking perfect, click Continue to save changes. This button is usually right next to the editor or at the bottom of that side panel. Clicking it locks in your new text so it does not get lost. I have tested this workflow many times, and this is the step people often forget, so do not skip it. Finally, publish your site to make the update live. This is the last step, and it is crucial. If you do not publish, nobody will see your new description except for you. Find the Publish button, usually in the top right corner, and click it. Your site might take a moment to process, but once it is done, your new skill description will be live for the world to see. And that is it. You went from a default, generic skill description to a customized one that actually represents you. It is a small change, but it makes a huge difference in how professional your site looks. Now, go ahead and update the rest of your skills too. You've got this.